Let us call the first session of the Senate in the first special session of the 20th Congress is hereby called to order. Let us pause for a minute of silent prayer. Amen. The Secretary will please call the roll.
Honorable Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero, Senator Estrada, Senator Go, Senator Ontiveros, Senator Lacson, Senator Lapid, Senator Ligarda, Senator Marcoleta, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pangilinan, Senator Soto III, Senator Tulfo Erwin, Senator Tulfo Rafi, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Camille, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Zubiri, Senate President Pro Tempore Gatchalian.
With 13 senators present, the chair declares a quorum.
Mr. President.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I move that we proceed with the election of the Senate President of the Philippines. I so move.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the election of the Senate President is now in order.
Mr. President, I move to let me be able to be recognized to nominate our Senate President.
Yes, we recognize the Majority Leader.
Mr. President, I rise today to nominate Senate President Pro Tem Sherwin Gatchalian as the President of the Senate of the Philippines. Throughout his public service career as member of the House of Representatives, as Mayor of Valenzuela City, and as Senator, he has consistently proven his competence, his effective leadership, and his unparalleled work ethic. Siya po palagi ang nagsasara ng Senado, staying late in his office even after adjournment. As a matter of fact, Mr. President, I hear complaints from your staff that hindi na po sila nakakauwi ng disenteng oras dahil overwork daw sila, overwork. At palagi nga tinatanong sa akin, kailan ko daw siya mahanap ng girlfriend para makauwi daw ng mas maaga. Kaya Mr. President, ikaw nga po daw ang sinasabi nila, nagsasara ng Senado na wala na pong staff, ikaw na lang po naiiwan. And that just shows your dedication, Mr. President, on how hardworking you are in preparing for the days ahead. He has ably led some of our most demanding and time-consuming and consequential committees, namely the Committee on Energy, the Committee on Economic Affairs, the Committee on Basic Education, and most notably, the Committee on Finance. As Finance Chair, he had navigated the very challenging period in the wake of flood control scams coming into light. But he led the Finance Committee with great resolve, spearheading unprecedented initiatives to ensure accountability and transparency in the national budget. I believe that this last budget, my dear colleagues, was one of the most transparent in recent history. As a matter of fact, whatever projects that we wanted to insert or amend into the budget, we had to come up with voluminous requirements and documents coming from the agencies themselves and the receiving bodies like the LGUs. And that was the request. Not just the request, it was the demand of then Finance Chair Wing Gatchalian. He's the leader that the Senate needs in this time of division and disarray, and he has done this before. I know he'll be able to rise above the fray and lead us back to our principal function, which is to attend to the work of legislation. I have every confidence that as Senate President, you'll be able to set the institution back on the right path, guided by the highest standards of service, integrity, and morality. To my colleagues, I plead, let us elect Senate President Gatchalian and let us get back to our work in this hallowed institution. Maraming salamat po, Mr. President. And maybe we don't need to put it to a vote, Mr. President. Maybe we can do it by acclamation, Mr. President. Ayes and nays would be fine. I so move, Mr. President.
So,
And then there are no other Nominees for Senate President, I move to close the hearing.
Any objection? Hearing none, the nominations are closed.
Therefore, Mr. President,
Therefore,
congratulate.
As you said, to vote will as acclamation. All those in favor of Senator Sherwin Gatchalian as Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines, say aye. Aye. All those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian is declared Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines. We ask Senator Gatchalian to, before that, Senator Francis Pangilinan is recognized.
Yes, just for the record that the vote, having a quorum, is unanimous, Mr. President, for the record.
Thank you. We place that on record. May we ask Senator Sherwin Gatchalian to ascend to the rostrum to take his oath as Senate President.
For the record, Mr. President.
May we request Senator Zubiri and Senator Escudero to please join us. Dito sila likod ko. Pamilya mo sa Second. Mga idos family. Di ba dapat dito kayo? Dito kayo dalawa.
Yung may family. Bachelor Senate.
Hindi ba pretending?
Mami mo sa Senate.
Diyan na? Restaurant?
Yes.
Meto na. Okay. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Sherwin Gatchalian,
Having been elected to the position of Senate President,
having been elected to the position of Senate President,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge
that I will well and faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
the duties of my present position
the duties of my present position
and of all
Hindi yata
others
tayo
I
pwede
may
dun, ma?
hereafter hold
and of all others I may hereafter
May ano po kasi
under the Republic of the
kumitin
Philippines,
lang.
under the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will support and defend
that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the Philippines,
the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will obey the
Ito
laws,
na.
legal orders, and decrees
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and
Sige po,
decrees
ma. Ingat po. God bless
promulgated
po.
by the duly
Salamat po.
constituted authorities
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
and maintain true faith and allegiance
and maintain
Sige po.
true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of the
to the
Philippines,
Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, nakapanumpa na po si, now, new Senate President.
Majority Leader.
Mr. President, just to put on record as well that you have been ably discharging your function as Senate President Pro Temp and Acting President since your election in June 3, 2026. We'd just like to extend our congratulations on your elections as the new Senate President.
Thank you very much, Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, Now I would like to move that we proceed with the election of the Senate President pro tempore. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the election of the Senate President pro tempore is in order.
May I ask may we recognize, Mr. President, Senator Ping Lacson for the nomination?
We recognize Senator Ping Lacson.
Ganun pa rin.
Thank you, Mr. President. With your honor's ascension as the fourth Senate President of the 20th Congress of the Republic of the Philippines, your previous post as Senate President pro tempore is now officially vacant. May I therefore nominate Senator Vicente Soto III to the position of Senate President pro tempore. Before I make my motion, Mr. President, I think I will be remiss of my duty and responsibility as a senator, colleague, and friend if I didn't thank and commend our two distinguished colleagues, Senator Chis Escudero and Senator Joel Villanueva, corresponding to their higher calling for this chamber, our beloved institution known as the Philippine Senate. Higher than their friendships, their affiliations, and every individual member of this body, even higher than themselves. I would also wish to put on record that I intentionally and voluntarily relinquished the chairmanship of what is known or often referred to as the most powerful committee, the Blue Ribbon, for two primary reasons. Number one, I am tired of losing old friends and creating new enemies. And number two, there are other colleagues who are equally, if not more qualified than this humble representation to take on the job. If there were no takers, I was feeling, albeit with a heavy heart, to retain and continue sitting as chairman and resume a duty that I am morally and obligated to perform. With that, Mr. President, I move to nominate the position of Senate President pro tempore, Senator or the Honorable Vicente Soto III. I so move, Mr. Chairman. Mr. President, thank you. Thank you. Majority Leader.
Mr. President, just to give a short manifestation, Mr. President, I have the privilege to second the nomination of Senator Vicente C. Soto III as a Senate President pro tem. I was his majority leader in all three times he was elected as Senate President. It was an honor for me to be his majority leader. They used to call me Major, as the major in the plenary. But I can say from experience that he's second to none when it comes to knowledge of our institutional rules, traditions, and processes. He's what we need in the Senate leadership today. Someone who protect the stability of the Senate and uphold the rules that give this institution shape and direction. Therefore, I would like to second the nomination of Vicente C. Soto III as our Senate President pro tem. Mr. President, there being no other nominations, I therefore move that we close the period of nomination and proceed with acclamation.
We therefore close the period of nominations and proceed to the voting for the Senate President pro tempore. Those who are in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Those who are not in favor, say nay. The ayes have it. Congratulations to our new Senate President pro tempore, Senator Tito Soto.
May we proceed, Mr. President, with the oath taking of. May we proceed, Mr. President, with the oath taking of the Senate President pro tempore. At ito pang retirement position sa President.
Malapit na po si Senator Tito Soto para sa kanyang panunumpa bilang bagong Senate President pro tempore sa harapan ng bagong Senate President na si Senator Win Gatchalian.
You want us to be behind you, sir?
Thank you.
Kasi cheese. Taka cheese. Sa kabila. Ayan. Okay.
Oath of office, please repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Vicente Soto III,
Having been elected Senate President pro tempore,
having been elected to the position of Senate President pro tempore,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
that I will well and faithfully
to
discharge,
the best of my abilities,
to the best of my
the
abilities,
duties of my present position,
the duties of my present
and
position,
of all others I may hereafter hold,
and of all others I may hereafter hold,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the
that I
Philippines,
will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
and maintain true faith and allegiance
and mandate true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of the
to
Philippines,
the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of
So
evasion.
help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
So as of 9:32, nakapanumpa na po si Senator Tito Soto bilang bagong Senate President pro tempore ng 20th Congress sa Senado. Nagkakaroon lang po ng lal para ihanda yung mga susunod pang mangyayari sa Senado. So far, meron na pong bagong Senate President. Ngayon, official na Senate President.
Mr. President, if I may be able to take my oath as well as Majority Leader, although I have been elected as the Chairman of the Rules Committee, but I was not able to take my oath the last June 3 meeting.
Yes, we will administer the oath to
Thank you,
the
Mr.
Majority Leader.
Ingat po, God bless po.
Nakapanumpa pala.
Oath of office, please repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Juan Miguel Zubiri,
Having been elected to the position of Chairperson of the Committee on Rules,
having been elected to the position of Chairperson of the Committee on Rules,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my
the
ability,
duties of my present position,
the duties of my present position,
and of all others I may hereafter hold,
and of all others that I may hereafter hold,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
and remain true faith and allegiance to the Republic of the Philippines,
and remain true faith and allegiance to the Republic of the
and that
Philippines,
I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental
or
reservation
purpose of evasion.
or purpose of
So
evasion.
help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
So medyo na-delay lang pero nakapanumpa na rin si Senator Mig Zubiri as chairman ng Committee on Rules as of 9:35 a.m. Hintayin natin kung ano pa mga iba pang mga posisyon na maaaring i-announce at magkaroon ng oath of office
dito sa nangyayaring masasabing balasahan, ano ha, Danny? Dahil mukhang kahit nawala yung mga
kabilang block.
Oo,
Tama. Walang nag-sumipot, no? From the Cayetano block na ina-expect natin na at least a special session may lilitaw. Pero wala, no? Ni-isa.
Yes. They have kasi the magic number already. So 13 is the magic number, ano po. Ulitin lang natin na so far wala pa pong nakikita o na i-report na any senator from the other block. Ano po, yung the Cayetano block. Although for
Yes, Mr. President, we're about to elect the members of the different committees so that we can buckle down to work, Mr.
Correct.
President. But I need just a 1-minute suspension to get the list from the staff.
1 minute suspension.
okay, suspended muna. Pero thus far, yung mga pinaka-importante na mga posisyon ay opisyal ng
Yes, with the 13 votes.
yes,
Finally,
pinalupaan.
dahil may, di ba, yung time hindi nila ma-declare yung acting president dahil nga kailangan nga majority of the senators. Pero for now, ayan na, natuldo ka na yung issue ng Senate presidency. At nakaupo na ho ngayon si Senator Win Gatchalian, Senate President Pro Tem ay si Tito Soto, at ang Majority Floor Leader at ang Rules Committee Chairman ay walang iba kundi si Senator Mig Zubiri. So yan ho yung mga pagbabago. So ngayon ay babalikan nila, partner Peter, di ba? Yung mga ibang committees. Kasi alam ko yung Blue Ribbon ay kay Senator Erwin na yan. At may mga lumulutan na gawing subcommittee chairman si Senator Kiko Pangilinan. Pero dinideny naman yan ni Senator Kiko. Ay, alamin natin lately kung anong pero alam mo, sabi sa atin ni Robert Mano, ang ating Senate reporter dyan, yung mga staff daw ni Senator Cayetano at saka yung mga minority block ngayon, nandun naman. Pero hindi nila masabi, humingiti lang kung ang kanilang ang
Naghihintay pa
principal.
naghihintay pa siguro ng advisory sa kanilang group chat. Samantala, balik natin Danny, si Robert Mano mula sa Senado
Sige,
para
go
malaman
ahead.
natin yung mga sidebars doon. Robert, go ahead please.
Danny at Peter, break ngayon ang sesyon ng Senado sapagkat pinafinalize yung listahan ng bawat senador na magiging miyembro ng different committees dito sa Senado. Kailangan kasi na mailatag na yung mga pangalan ng mga senador na magiging bahagi ng different committees para makapag-constitute ng different committees at mga pagsalungan na kanilang mga kanya-kanyang hearing. Kanina, sa pagsimula ng sesyon, ay gaya nga ng inaasahan, ay inihalan ni Senator Win Gatchalian bilang bagong Senate President. Si Senator Mig Zubiri ang nag-nominate sa kanya at pinakayunan at pinoto ng 13 senador. Si Senator Vicente Soto III naman ang inihalan bilang Senate President pro tempore kung saan si Senator Panfilo Lacson ang nag-nominate. Doon sa kataglan ng nomination si Senator Lacson ay nabanggit niya sina Senator Jesus Escudero at sina Senator Soto Villanueva na naging miyembro na ngayon ng majority na sabi niya ay higit doon sa pagkakaibigan, higit doon sa grupong dati kinaalibat at higit pa nga sa kanilang pangalan yung naging ganap nila, yung naging action nila ngayong araw para sa pagtalaga at ganap dun sa kanilang tungkulin bilang senador yung kanilang ginawa ngayong araw. At kanina, after naman nung mga panunumpa, sa Senator Mig Zubiri, dinunumpa na rin bilang majority leader at chairman ng Rules Committee. At kanina nga ay nagpaslamat sina Senator Win Gatchalian, Senator Vicente Soto III, Senator Mig Zubiri sa kanilang mga kasamaan kaugnay nitong pagkakahalan sa kanila. At ngayon ay nagbalik ng sesyon. I-nominate na yung mga miyembro ng bawat komite at pagkatapos niyan ay posibleng mag-break after ng third reading na ipatayo yung third reading ay mag-break sila para i-constitute naman yung Commission on Appointment. Balik mo rin yung Peter at Danny.
Thank you, Robert. At balikan natin ang mga nagaganap sa Senado ngayon.
So, chairpersons and members of the following committees, if I may, Mr. President.
Go ahead, Majority Leader.
Mr. President, I move for the constitution of the Committee on Accountability and Public Officers and Investigations, or the Blue Ribbon Committee, to be composed of 17 regular members and 3 ex officio members, reflecting an 11 to 9 majority-minority ratio. With the chairperson being elected, which is Senator Erwin Tulfo, and with 3 ex officio members taken into account, I move that all majority members, with the exception of one, which is Senator Chis Escudero, he requested to be the one, not as a member of the committee, be elected as members of the said committee. I further move that all remaining senators who are currently in active discharge of their senatorial functions and who are not otherwise designated as ex officio members be elected as regular members, subject to the prescribed membership limit under the rules. So moved, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Yes, just to explain to the public that's listening, all members, actually 17 members po membership ng Committee on Accountability and Public Officers and Investigations, the Blue Ribbon Committee. Ibig po sabihin yan, 17 members plus yung ex officio members, which is the Senate President Pro Tem, the Majority Leader, the deputies, the 2 deputy Majority Leaders, the Minority Leader, and also the Deputy Minority Leader. So halos lahat po, sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa atin na yung araw na ito, halos lahat ng members ng Senado, except for one, ay magiging membro ng Blue Ribbon. So we just move today, Mr. President, to state that fact and put on the record.
So noted.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. And upon the instruction of the chairperson, Senator Erwin Tulfo, I manifest the designation of Senator Kiko Pangilinan as vice chairperson of the said committee.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, manifestation is noted.
Mr. President, I'd like to also move on the election of members of the Committee on Social Justice on the part of the majority. The chairperson is Senator Erwin Tulfo, the vice chairperson is Senator Risa Ontiveros, and the members are Senator Kiko Pangilinan, Senator Manuel Lito Lapid, and Senator Rafi Tulfo.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, I move to elect the members of the Committee on Energy. The chairperson being Senator Erwin Tulfo, vice chairperson Senator J.V. Ejercito, members Senator Risa Ontiveros, Senator Bam Aquino, Senator Lito Lapid, and Senator Rafi Tulfo. We still need 2 members of the majority. I'll wait for the chairperson to give me the names of the 2 additional members. So moved, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I move that we elect the members of the Committee on Trade, Commerce, and Entrepreneurship. As chairperson, Senator Bam Aquino, and as members, Senator J.V. Ejercito, Senator Chis Escudero, Senator Manuel Lito Lapid, Senator Kiko Pangilinan, and Senator Rafi Tulfo.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, I move that we elect the members of the Committee on Constitutional Amendments and Revision of Codes. The chairperson being Senator Francis Kiko Pangilinan, and members Senators Risa Ontiveros, Senator Ping Lacson, Senator J.V. Ejercito, Senator Bam Aquino, Senator Lito Lapid, and Senator Chis Escudero. I so move.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Yes, for a minute suspension, sir.
1 minute suspension.
May 1 minute suspension at so far mukhang lahat ng mga committee, Danny, gagalawin nila.
Pupunuan nila. Oh. Anyway, na-retain yung iba di ba? So in the case of Erwin Tulfo,
Yeah. Sa Blue Ribbon.
Blue Ribbon Committee at saka Energy, tama ba? Yung pagkakakuha natin kay
Tama.
Subiri.
Ang vice niya sa Energy is si J.V. Ejercito.
JV, okay. Tapos ang trade ay napunta kay Bam Aquino. Tama? Trade
Tama.
and Industry.
Trade, Commerce, and Entrepreneurship, si Chairman Bob Aquino.
Okay. Ang constitutional amendments kay Senator Kiko Pangilinan. Okay.
Correct, okay.
Oh, yung pa lang so far, no? At they will resume in a while, no?
Mukhang ano to eh, shift on the fly, ika nga nila, work in progress kasi kulang pa ng membership,
Okay pa,
hindi pa mapunuan yung ibang members, no? Pero yung vice chair niya ni Erwin Tulfo sa Blue Ribbon or yung tinatawag na Public Accountability Committee ay si Senator Kiko Pangilinan.
Vice Chairman.
Oo.
Si Risa Ontiveros, parang ano rin siya? One of those nasa ano?
Member lang. Member,
So, ang Vice Chair is tama si ano no, si Kiko Pangilinan.
Senator Kiko. So without mentioning na magkakaroon ng subcommittee yung Blue Ribbon, no? At teka, balikan natin at meron nang nagaganap doon.
Mr. President, I move that we elect also the members of the Committee on Basic Education, the chairperson being Senator Bam Aquino, members Senator J.V. Ejercito, Senator Risa Ontiveros, Senator Lito Lapid, Senator Kiko Pangilinan, Senator Rafi Tulfo, Senator Erwin Tulfo, and Senator Joel Villanueva.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
And Mr. President, I also would like to move to the Commission on Appointments. We'd like to elect Senators Panfilo Lacson, Senator Mig Zubiri, Senator Joel Villanueva, Senator Risa Ontiveros, Senator Tito Soto, Senator Rafi Tulfo, and Senator J.V. Ejercito as members of the Commission on Appointments.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the aforementioned senators are hereby elected.
Thank you, Mr. President. I would like to also move to elect Senators Bam Aquino, Senators Kiko Pangilinan, Senator Lapid, and Senator Escudero as members of the Senate Electoral Tribunal.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the aforementioned senators are hereby elected.
Thank you, Mr. President. May I just ask for another minute suspension?
1 minute suspension.
Another minute suspension. At mukhang binubuno nila talaga per
yung
committee.
partner, tama ba? Nakuha ko kasi sa Commission on Appointments is very powerful din to, no?
Yeah.
Mga appointments ng mga cabinet at saka yung mga generals, no? So tama ba, Lacson, Risa, Joel, J.B. Ejercito, sino ba?
Zubiri.
Zubiri.
At saka si Villanueva.
Joel na, Joel.
Joel Ontiveros, JV, Rafi Tulfo.
Rafi. Okay, so bali 6, tama ba?
2, 4, yes, tama.
Tapos yung Senate Electoral Tribunal, kung meron mga protest na sila Bam Aquino,
ang chairperson.
chair.
Tama ba? And then si Kiko Pangilinan.
Okay.
Si Lito Lapid. At saka Escudero.
Okay, so bali 4 lang sila, including the chair.
So far, yun.
Yun pa lang, hindi natin alam kung anong maximum number dyan sa Senate Electoral Tribunal.
Check natin yung yung listahan thus far ng mga Danny. So meron na po tayong Blue Ribbon, meron ng Energy, Trade, Commerce, and Entrepreneurship, Constitutional Amendments.
Okay.
Si Senator Kiko Pangilinan yan.
Okay. Ngayon, Basic Education, si Bam na rin.
Bam Aquino. Ayan. So sa Commission on Appointments, na very powerful committee ito, no? Lacson, Zubiri, Villanueva, Hontiveros, J.V. Ejercito, and Rafi Tulfo. Okay. Electoral Tribunal.
Senate Electoral
Si Senator Bam, Kiko, Lito Lapid, and Escudero. Okay, ngayon. Doon sa Blue Ribbon po, merong binanggit na there will be 17 members plus ex-official members except one. Kasi nag-beg off yata si Chis Escudero, yun ang announcement kanina.
Yung sa ano to?
Sa Blue Ribbon Committee.
Okay.
Ayan. So practically the whole Senate membership, no? Nandun sa Blue Ribbon Committee.
17 yan eh. Sabi niya nga, may ex-officio members dyan, yung dalawang majority floor.
Correct. Pero nag-beg off si Chis kaya -1.
Okay.
Sa Blue Ribbon. Ayan, tama na.
So yung mga ini-expect pa natin dito, partner, yung mga malalaki, di ba? Yung foreign relations, di ba?
Oo, right. Punta muna natin. Sa labas ng Senado, ano ba nangyayari ito? We're not expecting any tension anymore I suppose, ano? Pero malaman natin, mula sa ating Radyo Patrol, nasa labas ng Senado, Zeus Legaspi. Zeus, go ahead, please.
Peter at Danny, andito nga tayo sa kahabaan ng Diokno Boulevard dito sa may tapak niya ng Senate compound kung saan nagtipon yung iba't ibang grupo, kabilang dyan yung grupo Makabayan, Bayan Muna, at Kawis, Ampak, yung iba't iba pa mga grupo na ang ginawa nila ay nagmarcha sila mula doon sa Film Center papunta dito sa may mismong takpak ng Senate compound. Panawagan nila, Danny at Peter, ay arestuin pa rin si Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa at tuluyan na nga ma-impeach si Vice President Sara Duterte. Ngayon, nagsasalita dito sa harapan si Teacher Franz Castro, yung dating representative, at ngayon niya yung kanyang laman o kanyang talumpati dito sa programang sinasagawa sa tapat ng Senado ay yung kanya'y sarsuela sa Senado. Pinupot din na nila yung special session na nila ginagawa naman para magkaroon muli ng palindirato sa Senado. Yun nga. At patuloy yung kanyang pagtalumpati dito. Nagbago na yung topic mula doon sa sinasabing sarsuela sa Senado. Ngayon, ito na impeachment na yung kanyang tinatalakay sa kanyang pagsasalita dito sa isinasagawang programa. Ngayon, Peter at Danny, bagamat maraming mga miyembro na iba't ibang grupo dito nga sa may tapat ng Senate compound ay higit na mas marami yung mga police na i-deploy ng Southern Police District. Yung huling bilang na nakita natin, mga bandang alas 8 ito na umaga kanina, 1,200 yung bilang ng mga pulis na nagbabantay dito sa paligid ng Senate compound. Ngayon, may barikada na yung mismong intersection kung southbound dito sa Diokno Boulevard, papasok ng Senate compound, kakaliwa ka, hindi na pwede. Dahil talaga hinarangan na ng mga pulis yung intersection na ito. Bukod dito, tuloy-tuloy lang naman yung gusto ng mga sasakyan dahil estimate natin dito, Peter at Dan, hindi naman lalagpas ng 6 na po yung mga radista na nandito at nandito lamang sila sa may kabilang bahagi na kalsada. Tuloy-tuloy naman yung pag-usad ng mga sasakyan southbound. Pero northbound, sisilipin natin, Peter at Danny, northbound naharangan na rin, tuluyan ang hinarangan ng mga pulis yung northbound lane ng Diokno Boulevard. Kaya southbound na lamang yung kanilang pwedeng daanan. Kung magtutungo ka rito ngayong umaga.
Sus, gusto ko lang malaman, yung binabanggit mong grupo, isang grupo lang ba yan o iba-ibang grupo ngayon ang nagpo-protesta dyan?
Halo-halo ito, Peter at Danny, yung nakikita natin dito na kanilang mga watawat, maging yung mga placard sa kanilang hawak, ito ay nagmula sa grupong Makabayan, meron ditong grupong Bayan Muna, ARPAC, Spirit Bayan, TMP, Kilusang Magbubukid ng Pilipinas. Marami, iba't ibang klase ng grupo ito, Peter at Danny.
Pero ano ang posisyon nila? Hindi ko masyadong maunawaan. Wini-welcome ba nila na meron ng change sa Senado? O kinukuntina pa rin nila ito?
Yung kabuuan ng mga pangyayari sa Senado, yung naririnig natin kinukundina nila, Peter at Danny, mapa Gatchalian Block o mapa Cayetano Block, ang narinig natin doon sa kanilang mga talumpati at laman o kanilang mga placard dito ay kinukundina nila dahil tinatawag nila na yung leadership room o yung problema sa kumbaga yung pagkakahati ng Senado ay kabuuan nilang kinukuntina. Wala silang pinapanigan doon sa mga senador. Patayan doon sa mga naririnig natin dito ngayon, Peter at Danny.
So, mahigpit ang mga naglalabas-pasok sa Senado, mahigpit ang seguridad.
Tama ka dyan, Peter, yung nangyayari dito, meron na itinayong fence yung mga police at mga security guard ng Senate dito. Kumbaga dito sa fence na ito, dadaan yung mga sasakyan saan magkasailalim sila sa inspection. Pagkatapos niyan ay tsaka lamang sila papayagan makapasok doon sa mismong Senate compound. Pero ngayon nga, Peter at Danny, wala pa tayo nakikita muli na pumapasok at lumalabas mula dito sa mismong Senate compound. Lalo nga't naharangan ng mga pulis yung bahagi na ito ng Diokno Boulevard. Kaya nakikita tayo,
ng kotse, dumidiretso dito sa may northbound lane. Ayan, umawi muna yung linya ng mga pulis. Sumasailalim siya ngayon sa inspeksyon na tila. Ayan, tila papasok ito ng Senate compound. Ayan, nandun siya sa may tent at masusing inspection muna yung kanyang pagdaraanan bago siya makapasok doon sa mismong Senate compound. Peter at Dani.
Yung atensyon kanina na naiulat mo din, wala na yun. Naiwasan na rin yung further na gulo dyan.
Tama ka dyan, Peter. Yung grupo kasi na yun kanina ay yun naman yung mga taga-suporta ng Cayetano Black at ng pamilya Duterte. Yun yung mga nagkakampo na rito, kabilang yung grupo Masada at Duterte Riders supporters. Magmula nung nag-clearing operation dito, yung lokal na pamahalaan ng Pasay City, parang kasama na rin sila doon sa na-clearing operation dahil nagsigulasan at talagang puputi na yung kanilang bilang dito ngayon.
Okay. Very good. Zeus, maraming salamat. Babalikan ka namin in just a very short while. Thank you, Zeus. At pupuntahan lang natin sitwasyon naman sa Kamara. Alam niyo po, ang special session ay hindi lamang sa Senado, kundi both houses of Congress. Kaya ito ang isang situational report mula kay Pamela Vasquez. Pamela, please go ahead.
Yes, Peter at Danny, formal gang nag-convene ang Kamara ngayong araw para doon sa unang special session ng 20th Congress kasunod ng Proclamation No. 1318 ng Pangulo. Itinatawag yung special session para ma-consider at agarang aksyonan yung priority legislative measures na layong baitiin yung edukasyon, kalusugan, social services at iba pa. Sa session din, kanina inadapt ng Kamara yung House Resolution No. 1124 na nagpapabatid sa Senado na nagkonvene na nga yung mababang kapulungan para sa special session. Inadapt din ng Kamara yung Senate Concurrent Resolution No. 11 na lumilikha ng Joint Committee on both Houses ng Kongreso para ipabatid sa Pangulo na nagkonvene ng Kongreso ng special session. May quorum sa ngayon, Peter at Danny, parang more on formality yung kumagawa pa naman malalaking natalakay ang ulit-ulit na ibinigay nga ng Kamara na halos lahat naman, especially mga measures na nasa ilalim ng LEDAC priority measures ng administrasyon ay pumunta na sa third and final reading. Pero kanina nga din, no?
Pamela, with your indulgence, babalikan lang natin ang Senado, pero after that, uhugutin kita ulit, ha? Maraming salamat, Pamela Vasquez mula sa Kamara. Balikan natin ang nagaganap sa Senado.
The Vice Chairperson is Senator J.V. Ejercito, and the members are Senator Risa Ontiveros, Senator Bam Aquino, Senator Ping Lacson, Senator Rafi Tulfo. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Mr. President, we'd like to also put on record the members of the Committee on Finance, Mr. President. Of course, the Committee on Finance is headed by the chairperson, Senator J.V. Ejercito, and with respect to the committee, each committee is composed of 20 members, so I move that all senators, with the exception of the Senate President and those serving in an ex-officio capacity, be elected and designated as regular members of both committees. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, I'd like to also elect the members of the National Defense, Security and Peace and Unification and Reconciliation Committee, Mr. President. The chairperson is Senator Tito Soto, our Senate President pro tempore. And same with the Finance Committee, there are 20 members. So I move that all senators, with the exception of the Senate President, those serving in an ex-officio capacity, be elected and designated as members of the National Defense Committee. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
There's a request of course, there's a request by our chairperson that Senator Ejercito, J.V. Ejercito, and Senator Lacson be elected as the vice chairperson of the said committee.
So noted.
Mr. President, I move that we elect the members of the Women and Children Committee, Committee on Women and Children. The chairperson, of course, is Senator Risa Ontiveros. The vice chairperson is Senator J.V. Ejercito. And Senator Bam Aquino, Senators Kiko Pangilinan, Senator Erwin Tulfo, and Senator Ping Lacson. I so move.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Mr. President, I move to elect the following members as the members of the Committee on Ways and Means. The chairperson is Senator Bam Aquino, and the members are Senator Pia Ontiveros, Senator Kiko Pangilinan, Senator Chis Escudero, Senator Erwin Tulfo, Senator Rafi Tulfo, and Senator Joel, what did he say? Risa Ontiveros. What did he say? Ay, nako, wala pa si Pia, hindi pa siya senator. Okay, my apologies, Mr. President. My apologies. The chairperson of the Ways and Means Committee is Senator Ping Lacson, Mr. President. And the vice chair will be Senator Bam Aquino, Senator Risa Ontiveros, Senator Kiko Pangilinan, Senator Francis Escudero, Senator Erwin Tulfo, Senator Rafi Tulfo, and Senator Joel Villanueva. So moved.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
We ask for another minute suspension.
Session suspended. Okay, may suspension na naman tayo.
So yung latest, yung Women and Children, narinig ko yung Risa, di ba?
Yes, yan yung lagi. Siya naman yung chairperson dyan.
And Ways and Means, Ping Lacson, ang chairperson.
Yeah, yun. After medyo nagkagulo ng konti doon dahil...
Pero before yung Women and Children, Ways and Means, sino ba yung mga ibang? Hindi ko masyado na.
Sa Ways,
Before yung Women and Children, yung kay Risa, what other committees?
yung before Women's Children, yung National Defense.
Defense?
Ang chairman is si Tito Soto.
Okay.
Tapos, members JB and Ping Lacson. At ang total membership niya will be 20.
Ang defense?
Yes, ang National Defense. Kasi halos lahat nandun.
Okay.
In other words, all senators are
Pero ang
members
chair,
of this
ang chair
committee.
is Tito Soto.
Tito Soto is the chair.
And then, may nasabi na ba sa foreign relations? Meron wala pa.
Parang na-miss out ko yun, kung meron man.
Oo.
Pero ang finance,
Sino?
si JV.
Ehersito.
Oo.
Okay.
And 20 members of...
Kasi ito yung mga majority eh.
So, parang-
may major committees
Oo.
eh. Diba?
Okay, so kanina pinag-usapan na natin yung electoral...
Basic
okay na yun.
education.
Okay na yun.
Oo.
So sa Ways and Means, meron tayong hindi nakuha kanina, yung bago yung
Defense, tsaka
National
Finance.
Defense.
Meron pa yata isa.
Paki ano yun,
Kunin na natin kay Robert siguro. Basta, yung foreign relations parang wala pa, no? Hindi ko pa naririnig eh, no?
Parang, or meron ba kaming meron
Miss out?
Oo, wala pa for
committees.
foreign, okay.
Relations.
So
Okay.
again, sa Ways and Means, another one of those powerful committees, ang chairman is si Ping.
Ping Lacson.
Oo, hindi po member si Pia Ontiveros. si
Sa defense is Tito Soto na 20 members, kamo.
Yes.
Diba? Ang dami, no?
Oo. So, very sensitive kasi itong itong
yung
committee na
mga
to.
post na yan eh.
Oo, at ayaw naman, I think ang mensahe dito is, para lahat represented. Then all the senators will become members.
Tsaka alam mo, partner, na importante rin ang finance sa budget kasi pag-uusapan uli yan.
Nito na si Robert Manoy, balik natin nga. Robert, anong latest?
Peter, Danny, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pag-nominate ng mga chairman, vice chairman at members ng different committees dito sa Senado. At kanina nga, nai-anunsyo ng una na ang Blue Ribbon Committee ay magiging vice chair ngayon ni Senator Kiko Pangilinan at lahat ng majority senators maliban kay Senator Chis Escudero ay magiging miyembro nitong Blue Ribbon Committee. Ang Social Justice, pamumunuan na ni Senator Erwin Tulfo, ang vice chairman ay si Senator Risa Ontiveros at mula sa majority ang magiging miyembro ay si Senator Kiko Pangilinan, Tito Lapid at Rafi Tulfo. Ang Committee on Energy, pamumunuan din ni Senator Erwin Tulfo. Ang vice chair nito ay si Senator JB Ejercito. At sa Trade and Commerce, si Senator Bam Aquino ang magiging chairman.